Hi, this is Ida, and in this video I will show you how to pair the call buttons with the receiver and how to pair the RFID card with it. Okay, I will show you the first. First we can enter the
Number registration.
The function 1 and press it. You can see that there is a 001. After we press the first key,
Successfully registration.
we have pair 1, and after we the second.
Successfully registration.
This is for the how to pair it. It is very easy, and the kindly tip is that if you see the numbers flash on the receiver, it means that you have pair it again. I will show you. Enter. When the flash, it means that the number is paired again. And 2, pair again. 3 is not flash, so if you have the new buttons, you can pair this number. The number is up to 999. And I will pair it again.
Successfully registration.
And pair the original call buttons as well.
Successfully registration.
Okay. I will back
Number
it.
registration.
This is for the number registration. And I will back it and show you how about you press the call button.
Number 2 call.
Number 2 call.
Number 3 call. Number 1 call.
I will press this one.
Number 4 call.
It will show the 6 calling record in these receivers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you can add the other. You can show the other calling record on these receivers. And if you want to change the volume of key, how to change it? And now I will show you how to set it. I'll back and long press the
Number
setting.
registration. Remote control. Prompt music. Volume. Delete. Key switch.
Key switch. We can enter it.
Please press order.
Please press order. And you can rename it. You can change it by yourself.
Please press call.
Please press call.
Please press pay.
Please press pay.
Please press cancel.
Cancel.
Please press bill.
Yeah, we can change it to this one.
Successfully.
So after we
Key switch. Number 1 bill.
yeah, this one. We have paired it successfully. So, do you know how to pair it? If not, please email us at support@retekess.com. And also, I also
Number
show the
registration.
delay time. You can set it by yourself as well. Yeah, sorry. Back
Number
it.
register. Remote control. Prompt music. Volume. Delete. Time.
Delay time setting. After we press this key, (000) means that it will not delete it anymore. But if you change the to the 10 second, it means that after you press this call button and 10 seconds later, if you don't do anything, it will disappear on the receivers. So you can make your decision to set this time or not. After that, you can press this key set.
Successfully. Delete.
Yeah.
Time.
And then I will show you how to pair the RFID card with the receiver. Okay, we can enter
Number
the
register. Remote
7.
control. Prompt music. Volume. Delete. Time. Key switch. Waiter. Registration.
waiter's registration. It means that this one is used for the waiter, and you can rename it and check the response time. It means that if you have the customers press this call button and the waiters press this one, and the calling record will disappear. And you can also check the record response time. Yes, you can also check the response time in the computers, so you can assessment and management the employees. The kindly tip is that when you set the RFID card with the receiver, you only can use the stat key on the receivers, but not the remote control, or it will not work. So after you enter the F7 and press the key set, and there's the 1, and the max RFID card is up to 10 pieces. So I will enter the app, such as 3 or any numbers, and press the key set.
Swipe RFID card.
The screen will show anything in this app, and then you need to press the RFID card in the delete keys. In this delete key place.
Successfully registration.
Yeah, successfully. And that's all. If you have any other questions, just feel free email me us at support@retekess.com. We will be here waiting for a message and supply the best solutions for you. See you next time. Bye.